Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Plouise Beauty. If you are new to my channel, my name is Juliana and welcome to another unboxing video. So today I'm going to be unboxing my July subscription palette from Plouise. So I have kind of thrown away the box because it was a massive box. In last month's video for the June box, I was saying that there's no way she's going to put in a new palette because it was just so big. I was wrong, she did. So there were three things in the July box. There was a brush. This is the brush. Let's just take that off. So it's kind of stuck, but this is the brush. And then there was a paint. This is Nitro. So I think she put variety of green paints in everybody's boxes. So we got different shade of paint. So but mine is Nitro, which I don't think I have Nitro. I have a lot of our paints. They are fantastic. These are some of the paints I have. You see, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's what I'm always putting in my waterline. They are excellent because they don't fade, they don't move, they just stay put until you are ready to remove them. Yeah, so I got Nitro in my box. And then the third thing that came, the third and final thing, is the Money Shot palette, the big palette. So she came out with three palettes. There were two small palettes and then this big one. I thought she wasn't going to put the big one there and the small ones would be the ones in the box. So I went ahead and got one of the bigger ones. I also got it because I want to depot one of them and leave one of them because I love a matte formula and I like to mix it with my singles. So I bought one specifically to depot it. So I thought, if I get it in my box, if I don't care and I don't mind, because she was doing a deal as well. They were so cheap. She sold the three for like a ridiculous amount, that possibly even less than the amount of the big box itself, if I remember correctly. So yeah, I'm going to depot one of them. I have a reel of this palette on my Instagram page, so I'll just quickly show you. So I've not swatched this one. I have swatched the one on my Instagram page, and that's the one I'm going to depot. So it's like you pull it. So this is the palette and then you kind of just pull it out. So this is what the lower one looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. Different shades of green. Look at that. So beautiful. And then this is the one on the upper bit. So it's so beautiful. Let me put them beside each other. So these are the two palettes. So altogether it's 42 shades, I believe, if I can count correctly. They are 42 shades, so 21 in each one. Oh, yeah. There's the palette, so gorgeous. Yeah, so it was definitely a surprise that I got the big palette in the budget box. I mean, considering the fact that the budget box is only £30, that is just so much of a bargain. I'm really happy. So far so good. I'm happy. I'm subscribed to the budget box. Yeah, so these are the three things I got in my July box. So this is a very short and sweet video considering it's only three things I got in my box. So far so good. I am loving what I got in my boxes. I mean, it's only been 2 boxes so far, but I love both of them. So I'm looking forward to next month and seeing what is there. I don't know yet. I'm tempted to kind of like, because she does this kind of like a sneak peek on her Instagram. I'm tempted to not look at it, but we would have to see. But anyway, so far so good. I'm enjoying my box and I love the value of the boxes. So yeah, so those are the three things I got in my July Plouise budget box. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of my unboxing video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.